Everybody. So, making this video to tell the Giants fans not to freak out about this game so far. Um, we're not really behind by a whole lot. We get the ball to start the second half. And from watching this game, I'm not really seeing, well, I'm seeing mistakes that we're making, but um, not big ones. I'm seeing that Janoris Jenkins can't seem to guard anybody. That much I'm seeing. Um, he's getting beat off the line a lot. But these Titans, they're making a lot of adjustments to the pressures we're bringing. Um, they're making a lot of adjustments to the pressures that we're bringing. It's the game. We're not playing as sloppy as we look. It just so happens that they're adjusting to the pressures we're bringing and stuff. He was out of bounds on that play though, but whatever. I'm not gonna blame the referees. The referees are actually fairly well refereeing this game. But don't pull the panic button just yet. The offense though needs to step it up. The defense the only problem I'm really seeing is Janoris Jenkins. He's getting burnt, and this isn't just on this one game. This has been consistently now. So that's the problem I'm seeing. We can get someone to help Janoris because he's getting burnt. He's missing tackles. That's the problem. That's what's bringing the that's why it's so close. It's not as bad as it seems. So later.